This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath patio home available for rent in the highly sought after 55-plus guard gated community of Heritage Isles in Viera. This home features an open floor plan, a large screened porch with direct water views, and a spacious kitchen with granite countertops and an island. The master suite includes both a tub and a separate shower, and the home offers the convenience of inside laundry and a 2-car garage. Residents enjoy access to a beautiful community pool and clubhouse. The location is exceptional, with close proximity to great shopping, dining, entertainment, and quick access to I-95. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.